auto industry has failed to come up with a solution that allows you to keep your tools in order and your nuts and bolts secure until now. This is the MagPad, a ridiculously strong, soft, anti-scratch magnetic pad that you can stick to just about anything. Conforming to the shape of the surface, the MagPad bends and flexes to allow it to stick to uneven or curved surfaces. With ridiculous strength on both sides, you can bring your tools back to your toolbox when complete. How strong is a MagPad? Strong enough to hold weightlifting plates to the wall, even a 50-pounder. Just slap it and stick it. Wrenches. No wrenches. Despite all this strength, it can be removed with just 2 fingers. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a weekend Mr. Fix-It, the MagPad is for you.
Introducing ZUS, the world's first truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, ZUS has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, ZUS is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the ZUS app and follow the red arrow to find your car. ZUS also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. ZUS is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard. Another reason why ZUS is different. 2 times the speed, 2 times smarter, never lose your car.
Tite-Reach extension wrenches. Professional-grade tools that save you valuable time and keep you from busting your knuckles. No more one click at a time, and no more scarred knuckles. You're in a tight spot with your ratchet where a full swing isn't possible. With the Tite-Reach, you bring the ratchet point out to where you have full rotation on your driver. That means better leverage and a larger degree of rotation for your ratchet, not to mention less chance of busting your knuckles. The Tite-Reach comes in 4 existing models and can be used with your existing socket sets. Our lifetime warranty Pro-Line professional-grade wrenches can be used with a ratchet driver or impact wrenches. Our heavy-duty half-inch drive is the tool you need for working in agriculture or diesel mechanics. The 3/8 drive is perfect for all those tight places in the automotive industry. And our slim-profile 1/4-inch professional Tite-Reach can reach even the smallest spaces. Finally, our entry-level 3/8 DIY wrench is built for those do-it-yourself household jobs. Each Tite-Reach model comes with the adapters you need to get the job done. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a seasoned mechanic, anyone who has a socket set can benefit from having the Tite-Reach extension wrenches. Save your time, save your knuckles with Tite-Reach.
AstroAI 150 PSI portable air compressor is the perfect companion for all drivers. Its simple and lightweight design means it can travel anywhere you need it to go. Just stow it in your vehicle's trunk for a fast and easy way to inflate low tires to a safe pressure. Automatically fill the tires on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles exactly to the level you set. When it reaches your desired pressure, it will stop inflating, allowing anyone to successfully fill underinflated tires. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading. Overheating protection and an inline fuse keep the compressor working effectively for years to come. Included accessories make it simple to inflate sports equipment and other inflatables. Enjoy extra peace of mind with an included 3-year warranty to keep you going on all of life's adventures.